friends, welcome to Mitali's Cooking Wonders. Today we are going to make chocolate chips at home. So for making chocolate chips, all you need is dark chocolate compound, which is of 120 grams, one piping bag, one butter paper or baking sheet, and a tray. First melt the chocolate. You can melt the chocolate in a double boiler or a microwave. So let's melt the chocolate first. In a pan, take some water, and water must not touch the another pan. So I'm adding my chopped chocolate to the bowl. Keep stirring the chocolate till it melts completely. So our chocolate has melted nicely. Turn off the flame and let it come to the room temperature. So here's our melted chocolate, which I'm going to pour in a piping bag. So our piping bag is ready. Cut the tip of the piping bag and start making chocolate chips. So our handful of chocolate chips are ready. If you want, you can keep it in a refrigerator for 5 minutes. Let's take them out. So you can see it's so easy to scrub them off from the baking paper. See how beautiful it has come out too. So our homemade chocolate chips are ready. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Bye. See you in the next video.